Welcome to 672 Foxwood Trail, a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom brick home with 2 washrooms set on a corner lot within a great family neighbourhood of Pickering's sought-after Amberlea community. A great home for growing families and for those who love to entertain. The stone walkway invites you into a main level showcasing elegant appointments, an open concept layout, as well as an atmosphere of warmth and intimacy that sets the tone for close-knit family and social gatherings. Showcasing upgraded wood-look tiled flooring and pot lighting throughout, culinary tasks happen in the kitchen while engaging in conversation with company, and the entertaining can easily spill to the outdoors during the warm weather months. Large windows and garden doors allow for natural lighting, while contemporary light fixtures and under-cabinet lighting bring ambient brightness. Pendant lights glow above an island with raised breakfast bar seating. The sleekness of stainless steel is seen with the undermount sink and built-in appliances that include a microwave, oven, dishwasher, and French door fridge. And cabinetry with extended height molded uppers and exceptional storage showcases a dark, rich finish that is enhanced by the light, neutral tones of the quartz counters and the stone-tiled backsplashes. A gas fireplace surrounded by a floor-to-ceiling stackstone facade in the living room adds coziness. This centerpiece enhanced with the richness of a dark wood beam mantel shelf, floating shelves, and built-in side cabinets. Through the garden doors is the backyard entertaining oasis. Covered by a gazebo, the deck is spacious enough to accommodate both a conversation and a dining area. Privacy fencing for the deck is further adorned with faux privacy greenery, which also adorns a second gazebo on the lawn. The backyard enjoys a southwest-facing exposure, is fully fenced, landscaped, and resodded, and also has a gate from the front yard as well as a storage shed. A 2-story window on the northeast wall naturally brightens a staircase with a hardwood and iron railing. The windows having zebra blinds, the stairs finished with the coziness of Berber broadloom, which is featured throughout the upper level as well. This level also showcases upgraded light fixtures throughout and a linen closet, with both the second and third bedrooms having ample closet storage, as well as good-sized windows with northwest-facing exposures for natural brightness. The updated 4-piece washroom features a bath area with upgraded wall tiles, a soaker tub, rainfall and handheld showers, as well as a glass shower door, a Toto toilet, pot lighting, upgraded floor tiles, and a wall-mounted toiletry cabinet to coordinate with the quartz top vanity. The bright, northeast-facing master bedroom has 2 large windows allowing for lovely morning light, and additionally showcases an almost full wall of closet storage complete with organizers and with 2 sets of double doors for accessibility. This home also features a single-car garage with a double-wide driveway, a double closet in the foyer, and a fully developed lower level. This level features a double closet with mirrored doors off the staircase landing, a 3-piece washroom with upgraded tiled flooring, a corner glass shower, a Toto toilet, and a vanity with quartz counter, a spacious recreation area, as well as a combined laundry and furnace room with a front-load washer and dryer and cabinetry storage. a short walk to Amberlea Park, the Amberlea Plaza, as well as Highbush Public, St. Elizabeth Seton Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.